Hey there drone fans, Rick here again from Drone Valley. In today's video, I'd like to show you a brand new phone holder that you can use with the DJI Pocket 2 or even the original Osmo Pocket to connect your phone to your camera and ensure that the connection between them stays secure. This product will allow you to go out in the field, film all day long, and never have to worry about that connection coming loose. Now, I've tested a lot of these phone holders over the years, from the original Osmo Pocket all the way up through the brand new Pocket 2, and most of them are based on a plastic or a 3D printed material, and they work okay, but the challenge is that material tends to be a little bit wobbly, a little bit flexible, so if you're filming for a long period of time or it's a really hot afternoon, you might find that it flexes a little bit, the connection between your phone and the camera breaks, and you've got to resync the application to the camera, and it's just a headache. The other challenge with a lot of those models that are plastic or 3D printed is they tend to be rigid, so they're wide. You've got a piece that's about that wide, which makes it really difficult to shoehorn it into a small box like this. So I've been on the hunt for something that either folded in half or broke down a little bit to make it easier to take it with me. And I also wanted something that was a little bit more rigid when I was using it, and this product has both of those features. So let me show you how you use it. The product right now is folded in half. By the way, it's an all aluminum design, which is really nice, so it's really durable. And to use it, you'll basically swing this arm out and away from the mount. And you can see that it takes a little bit of work to swing that out there, and I love that because that means that hinge is really tight. You don't want that hinge to be too loose because then you've got this wobbling going on in the background. So once you've got it set where it's rigid across like that, you basically take the pocket and drop it in here and snap your phone in over here. And this spreads really wide, so it'll handle a lot of newer phones out there, even ones with a really big case on it. You'll also notice there's a rubber material in here that's going to gently cradle the actual pocket, and there's rubber on both sides of this, so you're not going to scratch your phone, you're not going to scratch up your camera. So again, to use it, you'll start off with whatever adapter you're going to use. I have an iPhone over here, so I've got the Apple adapter on. You'll spin that around, and then you'll drop the camera into this side. And when you put it in there, you want to make sure that you've got the adapter roughly about the middle of the bracket, because when you slide your phone in, you want to mate those two up. Next, you'll slide your phone in. I'll put that in over here, and again, you want to make sure the port from the phone is facing the camera. So I'll slide that in, and then gently, you're going to slide this over and make the connection between the two of them. Now, once you make that connection, you're all set to go. And you can see that this is in there nice and tight. So that bracket really holds, again, the pocket to the phone really, really tightly. Some other benefits that this provides that the plastic ones didn't provide is I've got a cold shoe on the top. So that's really handy if I'm going to mount a microphone or a light. If I'm out in the afternoon filming and it's a little bit darker, it might be nice to have a little light on the top, an LED light to illuminate that area. There's a 1/4 inch threaded hole on the back and a 1/4 inch threaded hole on the bottom. So if I'm using a tripod, which I use all the time, I can screw the tripod in the bottom. And now I've got a really nice sort of vlogging setup on a desk, and you can use it with a selfie stick as well. But that's a really nice vlogging setup for me to sort of record what I'm talking about and showing products or whatever. And I could also, if I needed to, I could put a microphone on the top on this cold shoe. And again, this will work with wireless microphones or regular microphones. If you've got the audio adapter, you plug that in below and you're ready to go. I like that an awful lot. I also love the fact that there's another 1/4 inch threaded hole in the back, because there are a ton of mounts out there that you can use for GoPro devices or other types of lights that you want to use, or even microphones. So I've got a third one on the back. So pretty much everything I need is built into the kit, and I can take this out in the field and I can film to my heart's content, or I can spin the camera around and do, vlogging like this and beautiful background behind me. It just gives me everything I need. And the best part for me, well, two things really. Number one, it's incredibly rigid. So if I shake this thing, I'm not going to break the connection between my phone and the camera, and never have to worry about, resyncing the application. I was in the middle of recording. Did I get everything I thought I got? And the second thing is it folds up so small. So when I'm done for the day and I want to pack it away in my case, I'll slide the microphone off. I'll take the tripod off the bottom, throw that in the case. I'll slide the phone back like this, gently slide it back away from the camera. I'll pull the camera out, set that aside, and I'll take this guy off. So I'll spread these two arms. There's my phone, and it just folds this back over top of itself, and it takes up half the space. So it easily fits in that case without any issues whatsoever. So I like it an awful lot. Again, we've reviewed a lot of different products on the channel that help with the Pocket 2. But for me, when I found this one, I've been using it for a couple of months now. I didn't want to do the clip too quickly because I'm thinking, okay, it's brand new. Let me take it out in the field and see if it really benefits me. But having the ability to mount things on the cold shoe, having that additional 1/4 inch threaded hole in the back, I've used that a couple of times with GoPro, the 3-finger mounts to mount a bunch of other accessories on there. It just makes it a ton easier. So that's pretty much it for today. So hopefully you enjoyed this clip. I do have these on the website. We brought a bunch of them in because, again, when I find a product I like to offer it to people that watch watch the channel. So if you're interested in this and you need a mount for your phone and your Osmo Pocket or this Pocket 2 product, this is a pretty good deal. And I've got a link below if you want to check it out. We have it listed both on the website and Amazon. So if you want to support the channel, hit those links. Plenty in stock. We'll get them out to you really quickly. And like I like to say, we'll deliver it faster than Amazon in most cases, and we stand behind all our products. So if you have any problems with it, we'll be here to take care of you down the road. So thanks again for watching. And until next time, happy flying.